What is going on, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video. It is episode 13 of our Top Step Takeover series. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys my two losses. The two losses I took on the NASDAQ today, totaling $4,020. Also about $4K today. Again, this is on Top Step. This is the evaluations that I'm taking. And yeah, we are en route to getting funded with 4 accounts. But we did lose $4,000 today, like I said, about 4 times already. So let me go ahead and show you guys, first off, P&L. You guys know how I like to start these videos. Today, we lost $1,000 per account, which makes $4,000 because we have 4 accounts. You can see NQ, whatever the traded symbol was. This was definitely NQ, excuse me. This was indeed NQ. Like I said, we have 4 accounts, trading them all on the trade cop here on Trade-Evate. And yeah, that's that. Let me go ahead and break down the trades for you guys. So if you guys have been living under a rock, you guys might not know that the market has been bearish the past couple of, I'd say a couple of weeks, past 2 weeks. The market's been bearish, especially these last couple of days. Last 4 or 5 days, the market has been extremely bearish. So all I'm doing is, for one, following the flow of the market, and 2, price was showing me bearishness to begin with. So 2 and 2 makes 4. So I'm going to look for sales in the market, in the indices market. And on NASDAQ specifically, we had this 4-hour gap left behind, right? We had this 4-hour gap left behind. Price came into the gap. Let's go back a little bit. Price tapped into the gap. I was at least looking for this wick down here to get filled. Boom, boom, boom. At least looking for the wick to get filled. Even if price doesn't close below it, I was at least looking for price to take out the wick. And yeah, hit my TP, of course. But as we scale down to lower time frames, we'll notice that price does indeed start to break down around this imbalance, especially this 1-hour imbalance right here. Boom, this huge 1-hour imbalance, price starts to break down. On 15 minutes, price gave me a beautiful setup, gave me one of my beautiful setups, MLBM setup, took out the high, started breaking down to the downside. And then this candle right here confirmed that sales were possible. All right, I'm not going to say sales were definite. Nothing is definite in the market, but that sales were pretty likely. So at this point, I marked up my order block right up here, this last high, before the push down, before the breakdown. All I did at this point was wait for price to come back up into this order block and give me some kind of setup. Not there yet. Now we are there. So price created this last low. You can see this 2-candle formation created a low. Broke below it into the trade. We are currently in the trade. And we got stopped out. So I looked for a re-entry. Maybe price, price needed a little more room to breathe, or whatever the case was. So I waited for another entry, same order block, same spot. Waited for another entry. This beautiful bearish candle. I thought that was going to take us all the way home to our TP, but unfortunately, that did not happen. And again, we just got stopped out. Those were the 2 trades for the day. Like I said, sticking to my trading plan, not taking more than 2 trades. And plus, I passed the limit already. I can't lose more than $1,000 on Top Step. So that too. So either way I can trade, and price eventually did end up shooting down or pushing down, but this happened first. Yeah, all of this happened first. This right here couldn't happen first. This right here didn't happen first. No, not at all. The market couldn't allow this to happen first before doing this. This just had to happen first. So this happened first, and then price broke down. I'm still looking for sells. Still looking for sells for sure. We just got caught in this huge wick. You can see this huge wick that spiked to the upside before coming down. But yeah, I'm still looking for sells. Still bearish on the market as of right now, which is we are in Asian session, 7 o'clock p.m. Things could change overnight, but we'll see. Still looking for sells on the market. I was bullish on SPX at one point, but I never got confirmed entries, so I didn't take that trade. But on NASDAQ, I got confirmed sales, took those, and lost them. And yeah, that was that. US 30. US 30. What am I looking for on US 30? Potential buys on US 30. We'll see. We'll see. Again, don't normally trade Forex pairs. I trade indices and commodities like gold, silver, oil. Gold. Okay, gold's tapping into this order block that I've been waiting for all day. Let's see what it does there. But yeah, that was that. Oil's not looking bad for buys as of right now. That's about it. These are the Forex pairs. About 4 Forex pairs. But I mainly trade the indices and the commodities. So that's the breakdown, guys. That's the video, episode 13. I hope you are enjoying the series. Showing you guys everything as always. And I will see you guys in the next video.